Alright guys, follow up to the video on how to deal with hive beetles. I guess this would be Swiffer sheet part 2, whatever you want to say it. This is one day, one single day in this colony that I was telling you had hive beetles. Obviously there was more than I saw, but, and if you're worried, these are bees that I've accidentally crushed while I'm killing these live ones that are still on here. That they're hooked, but they're not dead. So I'm just trying to kill them. Here's the neat thing about these dryer sheets though. As you see, they hook, they get stuck. There's one still alive. There's actually a, yeah, I must have got her too. Oh well. The neat thing about it is I was getting ready to point out, and as soon as I get through killing these that are moving, oh, that's an ant. I see two moving right there. One moving right there. That one's hooked and trying to move. I'll get down there close, hopefully you can see it. See that one right there moving, struggling to get away, but its leg is hooked. But the good thing about these is they not only catch on one side, they catch on the other. Isn't that such a satisfying sound? Crunch, crunch, crunch. See if we can hear it. That is such a satisfying sound. Alright, that's going to be the end of part 2. Like, subscribe, share. Hope you enjoyed the videos. You guys have a great day.